What's going on, guys? Teaspoon Miner here. So I was just replacing my brake light bulb with one of these LED bulbs, and when I pulled out the original bulb, if this will focus, my housing right here cracked, which is super annoying. So I'm not going to replace it right now. And that sucks because I don't even know if that means my existing bulb is going to work if I plug it back in. It might, because the contacts are on the top and the bottom, not the sides. But it's just not a fully super tight fit. But yeah, so hashtag first world problems. Anyway, but yeah, so I got to run down to O'Reilly and get a new holder. I just called and they've got one right here close by. It's like $6. So onward and upward. I gotta go grab that and then I'll replace that, and then I can put these new flashy LED taillight bulbs in. Got off of Amazon. Stay safe. Catch you guys later.